Xiaomi has once again taken a leap into the world of smart home technology, with the unveiling of its latest innovation, the Xiaomi Robot Vacuum E10C. This remarkable robot vacuum is set to make household cleaning more efficient and convenient than ever before. One of the standout features of the Xiaomi Robot Vacuum E10C is its impressive suction power, boasting a staggering 3,500 pascals. This immense suction capability ensures that it can effectively tackle dirt, dust, and debris on various surfaces, leaving your home spotless. Whether it's pet hair, crumbs, or fine particles, this smart vacuum can handle it with ease. Furthermore, the Xiaomi Robot Vacuum E10C doesn't just rely on brute force, it's also equipped with intelligent features to enhance its cleaning performance. It offers 3 water flow settings, making it suitable for different floor types, and offers 4 power modes to cater to various cleaning needs, from a quick touch-up to a deep clean. This adaptability allows you to customize its operation to suit your specific requirements. In terms of battery life, the Xiaomi Robot Vacuum E10C doesn't disappoint either. Its 2600 mAh battery can provide an impressive 110 minutes of runtime on a single charge, ensuring that it can cover a substantial area before needing to recharge. This prolonged operation time minimizes interruptions during your cleaning sessions. The appearance of the Xiaomi Robot Vacuum E10C is both practical and sleek. With a rubber brush underneath its body and a side brush, it efficiently collects debris from all angles, leaving no corner untouched. Its obstacle detection sensors ensure it navigates around obstacles intelligently, avoiding collisions and ensuring a thorough clean. What sets the Xiaomi Robot Vacuum E10C apart is its advanced navigation system. It can intelligently plan the most effective route for its cleaning operations, using a zigzag cleaning path to cover your entire space systematically. This methodical approach ensures no area is left unattended. Moreover, this smart vacuum can also adjust its water flow intelligently during operations, adapting to the type of flooring it's cleaning. It's not just a cleaning powerhouse, it's a smart one. The Xiaomi Robot Vacuum E10C can be seamlessly integrated into your smart home ecosystem. You can connect it to the Mi Home or Xiaomi Home app, giving you the power to control and monitor its actions remotely. You can adjust its settings, set cleaning schedules, all from the convenience of your smartphone. Voice control is another remarkable feature of this robot vacuum. It supports voice commands through Amazon's Alexa and Google Assistant, making it incredibly user-friendly. You can simply instruct it to start or stop cleaning, change cleaning modes, or even direct it to specific areas. The Xiaomi Robot Vacuum E10C's slim, circular appearance allows it to navigate effortlessly into tight spaces and under furniture, ensuring a thorough clean in every nook and cranny. Its obstacle detection sensors are so advanced that you don't need to worry about it falling down stairs or getting stuck in precarious situations. While Xiaomi has unveiled this impressive piece of technology, pricing details and the official launch date are yet to be disclosed. However, fans and tech enthusiasts can eagerly anticipate the release of this smart home device, which promises to revolutionize the way we approach household cleaning. Stay tuned for more information, as Xiaomi is expected to provide these crucial details in the near future. The Xiaomi Robot Vacuum E10C is poised to be a game-changer in the world of home automation and cleaning convenience. I hope you liked this video. I also wanted to know your opinion about the new vacuum cleaner. Write your opinion in the comments below. Have a nice day and God bless you.